Good morning, Sparkle. It's morning. Come on. Why are you still sleeping? Let's go enjoy the fresh air. First of all, let's bathe. You're really stinky. Yes. Okay, you can go in. Okay, let me also go in the shower. Shower. Hey, you're thirsty. I know. You need to have some breakfast. Here, you get eat. And let me eat some sandwich. Good for a snack. You can drink. I'm eating the sandwich. I'm done. I'll just eat and drink some water. Done. Okay, let's go. Well, what did I just press? Okay, let's go. Hey, what happened? Why are you here? What happened to him? He's not wearing any clothes. He's having some bangs. Okay, let's go. You liar. So let's start. Should we give him snowman? No. It's free. Oh my god! Really? Oh my gosh, we're actually getting a neon. Let's see if she's actually gonna get it. Did you get it? Let's see if the he can't. You really bad. Literally, that's really bad. Oh no. He is a liar. He is a liar. He feel bad for her, but I don't want to give up Sparkle. She's my pet, and I love her. Oh, you need some sleep? Let's go. A neon snowman. Wow. That's my dream pet. Oh, baby, I didn't do that. She's scamming again. You are scamming again. Oh my god. I have to report this. Aw, blueberry pie. For blueberry pie, I'm gonna give you a legendary vehicle. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna give you a clown unicycle for it. I wanna be kind. Great! I'll just confirm. I feel so happy that they got a best rate ever. Okay, you're still doing that for no reason. Okay, let me try. Are you gonna give me first spot? A monkey! No, sorry, I can't get that. A rabbit, another rabbit? A hyper speed potion. Ice cream rattle. I think they just started, so I'm gonna be kind enough to give him my birdie. Give him accept. OMG, my dream pet. OMG, like look, he's my dream pet. It's my dream pet. Oh, why about this? Alright. Sorry. It's my dream bed. I just love it. Wow. Um, creating a neon dragon for a neon unicorn. Wow, nice. Creating a neon dragon article. A neon Arctic reindeer. That's really rare in the game because it's amazing. You have to do a lot of tasks and you're really stinky. We have to take you to the hospital. Let's go. Is that neon? Because it's a three-letter word. I think they didn't end the end Bible right away. Anyways, here you go. Get a nice snack. Oh no! What happened to your head? Come. You're all well now. Let's go. Let's, let's go to school. Let's learn more tricks and nice things. Today was really, really good and nice. Make him all better but to go to school. I will be back. Let me go. I hope she's good. Hi. Well, your robots give back um what? A neon fiber rival. I will accept. Your Robux give pet. What do you mean? Left. I think she's done with her school. Come back. You can just eat something. This is really good. Mmm. Yummy. Thanks, I knew it. Here you drink some nice, cool water. And you're quite stinky, so we have to go to the bathing place. Let's go to our apartment. Ooh. Let me see if you. Oh, I'm not even gonna go inside. Okay, yes. This is my house. Let's go. I just named this a blue room because for my other boy pets. This is for the other sleeping area. This is a bathroom for it. Oh, I want to go to the bathroom. I know that. Let's go. This is your pink room. You can have a nice bed. There you go. And here, get some blueberry pie. This will help your good immune system. You stay here. Okay, I'm waiting. Done? There we go. That's amazing. This is such a good day today. And that's it for today, guys. Remember, don't get scammed, and that's really bad. So, bye.